A new personal level is a different vibration. Have you ever doubted your abilities to achieve something new? I've always struggled with standardized tests since childhood. When I wanted to become a school teacher and change careers, I was so afraid I couldn't pass the necessary test. Becoming a teacher was a new level for me. Oftentimes, that new level will necessitate overcoming some fears, no matter what it is. That fear causes you to vibrate at a certain level. Vibration may be some new terminology for you. Get to know and understand this idea because it will help you transform and connect to higher knowledge and wisdom. With knowledge of comedic science, you recognize that your fears become a barrier to the new you, that new level. I had to push through my test fears the whole time I was studying for it. It took a few months. Studying allowed me to replace the vibration of fear with the vibration of confidence. I practiced sacred process mastery to consistently elevate my vibration. I passed it. What is it that you want to do in life that you fear? Do you have the mental tools to break through? You are powerful beyond belief.